good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another day, that means another feud to begin. I am your host, Aryan Rubin, and it's time to play Mathematics Feud. For today's episode, we are going to have two groups of friends from Christian colleges of Southeast Asia. The first group, please welcome Miss Traya, Miss Roldan, and Miss Toledo, the team Ferson. And on the other side, Miss Yasay, Miss Dagibig, and Mr. Penetrante, the team Char. Alright, welcome to Mathematics Feud. Our topic for today's feud will be all about codes. Are you all familiar with codes? Can someone tell me what a code is? Yes, Miss Dagibig.
A code is a system of words, letters, figures, or other symbols submitted for other words, letters, and etc., especially for the purposes of secrecy.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Miss Dagibig. Okay, now let's start. Miss Yasay and Miss Traya, please step forward. Alright, ladies, top 3 answer on the board, and here we go. What are the 3 common coding schemes? Miss Yasay is a bit faster. So, what is your answer?
ASCII.
ASCII, is it correct? Let's see in the board. Wow, that's the top answer. So, Miss Yasay, are you going to pass or your team will continue to answer?
My team will answer it.
Okay, before we move to Miss Dagibig, Miss Yasay, can you give me a brief meaning and an example of ASCII?
ASCII, pronounced as ASCII, is an American standard code for information interchange. ASCII is based on the simple idea of using numbers to represent text. For example, numbers that represent upper letter case A and lowercase letter Q, or the exclamation mark symbol. Collectively, letters, numbers, and symbols are called characters.
Well, yes it is. Miss Dagibig, can you tell me what this Unicode is all about?
Unicode is an international encoding standards for use with different languages and scripts by which each letter, digit, or symbols.
Thank you, Miss Dagibig. Now let's proceed to Mr. Penetrante. If you get this right, your team will win this round, but if not, the other team have the chance to steal it. So, what are the other coding schemes?
ABC, the IC, or the Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange. It was created by IBM and it mostly used on their computer, and each number alphabetical character punctuation mark.
EBCDIC, is it on the board? Yes! So that means your team will win this round. For the second round, Miss Dagibig and Miss Roldan, please step forward. Okay, please put your one hand on the table and the other one at the back. Top 4 answers on the board, and here is the question. What comes into your mind when you hear the word binary?
Binary code.
Binary code, is it on the board? Correct! Miss Roldan, before I ask you to pass or continue, can you explain to us what binary code is?
The binary code represents text, computer processor instructions, or any other data using two-symbol system. The two-symbol system used is often 0 and 1 of the binary numbers.
Thank you, Miss Roldan. So, is it a pass or play?
I'll play.
Miss Toledo, what comes into your mind when you hear the word binary?
Binary digit.
Binary digit, is it correct? Yes, it is. You got it right, Miss Toledo. But what is a binary digit?
A binary digit is the minimum unit of a binary information stored in a computer system. A bit can only have 2 states, on or off, which are commonly represented as ones and zeros.
Miss Traya, can you tell me what comes into your mind when you hear the word binary?
Binary file.
Let's see if you are right. Yes, you are. Miss Traya, can you tell something about binary files?
Yes, of course. Binary file is a type of computer file that is used to store binary data. It may contain any type of formatted data encoded with binary format. It is used directly by the computer and generally can't be read by a human. Binary files may also be called binaries. A computer program file is one of the most common examples of a binary file.
Thank you, Miss Traya. Now, for the last answer, let's hear it from Miss Roldan. The same question. What comes into your mind when you hear the word binary?
For the last answer, I'll make sure I'll get this right. My answer is binary number system.
Is it correct? Let's see on the board. Yes, it's correct. So that means this round goes to Team Ferson. For round 3, let's make it different. Instead of asking you a question, there will be pictures or definitions on the board and you are going to identify what they are all about. For this round, the topic is integers in computers. Mr. Penetrante, can you help me define what is integers in computer are?
In a computer hardware, a memory address or processor register can nearly always be represented as an integer.
They are called bytes. In most computer systems, a byte is a unit of data that is 8 binary digits long, also called octet.
Correct!
Word.
Word? That's correct!
Short and long integers.
Your answer is correct!
Binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal numerical system.
Wow! You guys are great! Now, let's proceed to our final round. Round 4. Operations and binary numbers. There are 4. The binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. Number 1. 100110 plus 110101 is equal to...
The answer is 101111. Because by adding the two given binary code, you need to add it column by column and having the formula of whenever if it is 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, it equals to 1.
Number 2. 100 minus 1 is equal to...
011. So the third column has 1. This 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 2. So anytime you cross that 0, replace it with a 2. It's going to work if you do that way.
Number 3. 110 times 101 is equal to...
11110. So 11110. Let's say we want to multiply it by 6 by 5, which when in binary would be 110 by 101. So our product is 11110.
Number 4. 10101 divided by 1 is equal to...
We need to consider our divisor. In our divisor, there are two digits which are 1, 1. Then we need to check if the first two digits of the dividend, which is 10, is greater than or equal to 1, 1.
Now, let's see the overall result. Wow! For the first time in the history of Mathematics Feud, we have 2 winners! It's a tie! Congratulations to both teams! I hope you guys had fun. That's it for today's episode. Again, I am your host, Aryan Rubin, and this is Mathematics Feud.